and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. I have a small bead haul that I want to share with you. I went to the doctor's the other day and I had to go out, so I said since it's on the same street, I'd stop by and go to Joanns. So I needed a new tool set for my beading, so I picked this tool set up. It was $19.99, but I got it for 50% off, so it was $10. And what I liked about it is that it has this, like the top part stores your tools, and the bottom part stores I can store my current project in it. So that's what I'm going to use it to store my current project. So I got those. I like these Alex and Annie inspired bracelets, but what I want to do is I want to make a few bracelets. I want to make one for myself and one for my daughter. So I bought these beads, and at Joann's this week, all of their beads, no matter what the form or cost were, is $1.99, and I thought these were just beautiful. So I'll try to hold them up so you can see them. I think I need to put something behind them, but I don't. Oh, let's put this behind it so you can see it. Can you see it really good? They are beautiful. So I got those. Got 5 of those. And then I got two of these iridescent beads. I thought they were gorgeous too. I got 2 of those. I got these, like spacer beads, or you can make a whole bracelet out of them if you want, but mostly they look like spacer, so they're spacer. I'm not really a good beater, but I wanted to try a few things. I got these Hildy and Joe charms. They're the locks and keys. I love a good lock and key. Locks, keys, and clocks are my thing. I also got these in taps, so I might try to use them on my bracelet, but I'll wait and see. They're mostly for cording. I got these acrylic beads. I like them because they were pretty, and I might throw them in as spacers. So I like those. I got a pack from Amazon. I got the memory wire for my bracelets. So they were... it's like it says 6 millimeters and 100 pieces are in here. So I got the silver and the gold. While I was there I had to go over to Walmart too, and I picked up this red. I already have a red, but I needed another one, so I picked that up. And from Amazon, I wanted to get some charms. So I picked these charms up. It says it's 60 pieces of inspirational charms. Let's see if I can read some of them for you. Thought they were really nice. This one says, never give up. This one says, keep calm and kill zombies. It's kind of cool. And this one says, find joy in the journey. This one says, do what you love what you do. So they're pretty nice. I like them. You're my sunshine, my only sunshine. We're all mad here. Okay. I like the hearts. Those are cute. You're my only sunshine. This one is, this one's hard to read. See, act kind, see, be brave, be strong, be happy. That's the same thing. So they're all kind of nice. She believed she could, so she did. Every journey starts with one step, and that's kind of true with whatever we do. You got to make that first step. Whatever you're thinking of that you want to do for yourself, go ahead. End of 2020, if you wanted to start up something new or do something new or make some kind of change in yourself, start with that first step. So I think this is going to be the first one I'll put on one of my bracelets. It has the tree of life. I like that. A family's love is forever. So I think this is a good set. I think it's a good set. So it's from Amazon. And I picked that up, and I'm going to use it for my bracelet making. Some of them are quite big, but because I think on these, I wear an Alex and Annie one all the time. As you can see, I'm a bracelet person. That's my J, and I wear it all the time. So these are, some are about that size. Some are a little bit bigger. All depends on what you want to do. So I'd like to make an Alex and Annie inspired one, so I might try. So we'll see. So thank you for joining in today and watching my video. Hope that you all had a good Thanksgiving. And I will talk to you all soon on my next video, which is my snowman video. I know it's taken me a while to get that up, but I'll have it. I'll put it up. We're going to build a snowman. So I'll talk to you all soon. Be the reason somebody smiles. Stay safe. Stay blessed. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.